Dancehall DJ Rygin King shot and injured in Westmoreland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have confirmed that dancehall artist Rygin King, whose given name is Matthew Smith, is among a group of people who were shot this afternoon, Sunday the 28th of June, after leaving a funeral in the Ashton area of Westmoreland. A short video clip has been making the rounds on social media, purportedly recorded near the scene of the shooting.
Yeah, one, see now I'm going to no joke like that. You want to take some yesterday. You say get a shot in the face and be a thing.
According to the police, Rygin King and two others, a male and a female, were shot and injured during the incident. They were rushed to hospital where the female, believed to be 28 years old, was pronounced dead. Another video clip showing the artist being wheeled into the operating room of a medical facility has also been making the rounds on social media. The entertainer reportedly underwent emergency surgery and is said to be in serious condition. The condition of the other male victim was not known at the time of this publication.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.